Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Motorola Moto G86 Power without the password. Okay, in the beginning I will tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. We have two methods how we can do it on our own, and I'll show you both of the methods. But for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked for now. But basically each step that I'm going to show you for the first method, you need to repeat on any other device, because you know this one will be locked. But for the second method, we will normally use our Motorola. For the first method, we need to open up the Chrome, and this method will only work when your device has in settings one feature enabled. Let me show you which one. It's under the device finders. As you open up the security and privacy settings, click on right in here, and the Find Hub option must be turned on, otherwise it won't work. Now we need to open up the Chrome. Also, when it comes to the Google account, we need to be logged into the same Google account on which we were logged in on our Motorola. Now find your Motorola, and in here click on Factory Reset Device. Also, I will tell you that for both of the methods that I'm going to show you, basically you will lose all of your data. That's the only way. So have that in mind, that you will lose everything, unless you have a backup, of course. So when you have a backup, you'll be able to restore your things. Now, when you have Factory Reset Device, we need to simply click on Next right now. And as a second step, we will need to sign in into our Google account to erase our device. Simply hit on Next, follow the instructions on the screen, and if you do everything properly, and I'm sure that you will, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method. And now let's go for the second one. Now we normally use our Motorola, and now we cannot remember the password and what to do. Also for the second method, we will also lose our data, because we need to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode. So now what to do? We need to power off the device. Let's hit the power button and the volume up button and click on power off. Oh, actually it requires the password, so don't worry. We need to simply hold now the volume down button and power button. We need to keep holding until the screen goes off. Now release and quickly hold again, just like that. Now using the volume keys, we need to find recovery mode, and now hit the power button to launch it. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, we have the Android logo and it says no command. Now to move forward, we need to hold the power button and we need to tap volume up, just like that. Now again, using volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, click the power button, again select factory data reset, confirm. We can now see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, click the power button, and now within a second the device will be turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.